Hi guys, this is Pri. Welcome to our channel IELTS with Pri and Aman at IELTS Success Academy. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing our channel and make sure to hit the like button and also share it with your friends. So in this video, we will be doing a cue card that is amongst the May to August 2024 speaking topics. So I had scored band 9 in my speaking test and I wanted to share some secrets with all of you so that you can achieve the same band score in your exam. So let's look at the topic. Describe a time that something changed your life in good ways. You should say when and where it happened, what happened, how you felt about it, and explain how it changed your life in good ways. So before we jump onto a sample answer that I have created for you all, let's brainstorm a few ideas together. So for a question like this, you can talk about maybe some kind of advice that you received from someone and that motivated you towards achieving your goal. Or maybe someone inspired you to adopt a healthy lifestyle and you tried to avoid junk food or restaurant food, or maybe someone inspired you with their healthy lifestyle and so you became inspired towards yoga and meditation and that changed your life in a very positive way. So you can use any such idea for a question like this. All right, so now let's look at a sample answer that I have created for you all. Changes are inevitable and forms an important part and parcel of our daily lives, as it helps us to improve both personally and professionally, as well as assists to adapt to our surroundings. And today, I would like to speak about a time when my mother motivated me to learn the art of cooking, which has been quite beneficial for me. Part and parcel is just another phrase for saying important part of our daily lives. Alright, so let's continue. I vividly remember that after the completion of my college semester examinations, I had ample amount of leisure time and was inclined towards developing new skills. Moreover, there was an event being held at my home, and in the 11th hour the cook did not show up, and my mother was struggling to prepare meals for all the guests, as well as requested me to assist her in cooking some of the traditional recipes. So we used an idiom here which is in the 11th hour, which means in the last minute, and using idiomatic phrases improves our band scores for a lexical resources part. Also, inclined towards mean having a keen interest towards something. Alright, so let's continue. I was reluctant in the beginning and was not sure if I would be able to aid her in making the authentic cuisines as I had never done it before. However, she instilled me with confidence and was providing detailed instructions, informing me about the ingredients along with the measurements, and I diligently followed everything in the pressurizing scenario. So, reluctant means when you are not ready to do something. Instilled means to fill you up with. So, fill you up with confidence. Diligently means accurately followed everything. Also, as you can see, we have used a lot of synonyms and we did not repeat the word meals again and again or recipes. We have used recipes, meals, dishes. So you can add all of these words to your vocabulary list as well, and next time when you are practicing speaking, you can use it in your conversation as well. Alright, so we have answered the first two questions, which is when and where it happened and what happened. We still have two other questions remaining, which is how you felt about it and explain how it changed your life in good ways. So let's answer those. Furthermore, the guests arrived and they all loved the authentic recipes that I had cooked and even complimented me for the same. Finally, I felt like a dog with two tails as I was not only able to overcome my culinary fear but also learning the art of cooking helped me later in my life when I moved to Canada for my higher education and was able to cook delicious meals including some traditional dishes on festivals and not be dependent on restaurant food. So we used another idiom which is felt like a dog with two tails, which means feeling extremely happy. Culinary means related to cooking. So we used a better vocabulary word instead of saying cooking again. Thank you for your time everyone. If you did like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. Till then, take care and see you soon. Bye bye.